Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Engineering and Technology in the Department of Instrumentation and Control. Today's our topic is logic gate in the unit number 3, Fundamentals of Logic. In the last session, we will study about the block diagram of the PLC, then the advantages and the disadvantages of using the PLC, and the last one is the application of the PLC. So, the first one is the introduction. So, what is the logic gate? So, logic gate are the basic building blocks of any digital system. Okay, so whenever we deal with the digital system, we know about the different logic gate. So, it is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. So whenever we deal with the logic gate, we use one or more than one input and we have only one output. Okay, clear? So the relationship between the input and the output is based on the certain logic. We have applied different logic to the logic gate, and then we have to identify the output of the system. So the based on this logic gate are named as the AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate, etc. So the basic gate are AND, OR, and the NOT gate. Next one is the classification of the logic gate. So depending upon the application, we have to classify the logic gate in the different types. So basically, logic gate are classified into 3 types. First one is the basic logic gate, the next one is the universal logic gate, and the third one is the other logic gate. So what is the basic logic gate? That contain the basic information, and we have 3 types of basic logic gate. The first one is the AND gate, second one is the NOT gate, and third one is the OR gate. What is the universal logic gate? It is a NAND gate and the NOR gate, and the other logic gate is the XOR gate and the XOR NET. So in the next slide, we will study the different logic gates one by one. So first of all, AND gate. So as you study in the digital system design subject, AND gate, here you can see that this is the symbol of the AND gate where 2 input is applied, input A and B, and Y is our output. Now if we have drawn the truth table using the AND gate, so we have 2 input A and B, and the equation of the AND gate is Y is equal to okay, so the first gate is the AND gate. Okay, this is the symbol of the AND gate where the 2 input is applied, input A and input B, and Y is the output of the AND gate, and the next one is the truth table of the AND gate. As you know, the equation of the AND gate is equal to Y is equal to A into B. Whatever input applied to the AND gate, it is the multiply, and we can get the output. So we can draw the truth table using this equation. Input is A and B and output is A into B. First we can apply the input value 0, 0. That means A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. We can get output 0. For 0 and 1, again we can get the output 0. For 1, 0, we can get also 0. And final, if both the inputs is high, that means the 1, we can get the 1 output. So what is the logic of the AND gate? If both the input is high or both the input is on, we can get the output high. Otherwise, we can get the output low. If we can draw the AND gate ladder logic diagram. So for that, this is the symbol or the diagram of the ladder logic diagram where this is my input A and this is my input B. Okay, and for that we have the output Y. Okay, so this is my ladder logic diagram. Ladder logic diagram for the AND gate. So whenever we deal with the AND gate, when all the inputs are on, that time we can get the on. So here this contact is known as the normally open contact. So whenever the input A and B high, we can get the output high. Now if we can draw the relay diagram using the AND gate logic, so using the relay diagram, we can put here the switch as the input signal. So A is my input, B is my input, and Y is my output. This is the plus and minus terminal, and this diagram is known as the relay logic diagram. Okay, so this is the difference between ladder diagram and relay logic diagram. In the relay logic diagram, we can put here switch. So whenever the switch is closed, why we can get the output. Here you can check the condition. When A is closed but B is open, we cannot get the output on. If A is open and B is closed, we cannot get the output. But when both the input is off, both the switch is off, we can get the output. So this is the AND gate. This is its symbol, truth table, ladder logic diagram, and delayed logic diagram. Okay. Now next gate is OR gate. Okay. So this is the symbol of the OR gate. Both input is apply A and B, and we can get the output 1. Now what is the equation of the OR gate? So OR gate is whatever input is applied to the OR gate, we can add this input signal. So Y is equal to A plus B. So here in the truth table, we can put A plus B. So first of all, we can apply a low input, that means A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. We can get the 0 output, means the low output is off. When we apply the input 0 and 1, we can get the output. That means any input signal or any input switch is on, we can get the output using the OR gate. So if we can draw the ladder logic diagram using the OR gate logic, so this is my A input, this is my B input, and this is my output 1. So here you can see that whenever we deal with the OR gate with the ladder logic diagram, we can put the input signal with the parallel connection, because whenever whatever input is on, we can get the output. If A is on, we can get the output. If B is on, we can get the output. If both the input is on, we can get also output. If we can draw a relay logic diagram using the OR gate, so we can put here A switch. Okay, with parallel A, we can put here B, and then we can put here the Y output. This is my plus terminal, this is my minus terminal, and this is my relay logic diagram. Okay, so using the OR gate, if and one input is high or on, we can get the output. So this is all about the OR gate. Now the third one, basic gate, is NOT gate. Now what is the NOT gate? It is the implement gate. Whatever input is applied, we can get the reverse output. And the equation of the NOT gate is Y is equal to A dash. That means if A is equal to 0, we can get output 1. If A is equal to 1, we can get the output 0. Okay, if we can draw the NOT gate ladder logic diagram, so we can put here A as a normally closed contact. Okay, so this is my ladder logic diagram for the NOT gate, and this is my relay diagram of the NOT gate. We can compulsory here if A is in the off position. So this is my relay diagram of the NOT gate. So what is the application of the NOT gate? If we can invert the output, okay, that time we can connect the NOT gate. Okay, the next one is the universal gate. We have two types of universal gate. First one is the NAND gate, and the second Now what is the NAND gate? It is the implement of the OR gate. Sorry, AND gate. Okay. Whatever output of the AND gate, if we can complement this output, we can put here, after the AND gate, we can put here the NOT gate. So it becomes the NAND gate. Now what is the truth table of the NAND gate? So here you can see that in the NAND gate, input A and B is applied, and we can get the output A into B complement. Okay. So for the 0 0 input, we can get the output 0, but the 0 complement is 1. So the NAND gate output is 1. For 0 1 it is 1, 1 0 1, and for 1 1 we can get the 0. So it is the complement of the AND gate. Okay, if we can draw the ladder logic diagram using the NAND gate truth table, so simply first in the first rung we can put the logic with the AND gate. Okay, for the NAND gate, we can simply complement of the AND gate. So in the first rung, we can put the logic of the AND gate, that is A and B is my input and Y dash is my output. Now in the second rung, we can put a Y dash as the input and the actual output is the Y. So whenever we deal with the NAND gate in the ladder logic diagram, okay, first in the first rung, we can put the logic of the AND gate, A and B in the series connection, and then we can put here the complement of this A and B, and we can get the actual output. Okay, now next is the NOR gate. Okay, NOR gate it is the complement of the OR gate. So first of all, in the symbol we can see here, we can put here OR gate. A and B is my input and Y is my output. Between the OR gate, we can put a NOT gate. So this the next symbol is the NOR gate symbol. Now what is the truth table of the NOR gate? So here you can see that. What is the equation of the OR gate? It is Y is equal to A plus B. So for NOR gate, we can simply complement A plus B. So input is A and B, and we can get the output A plus B complement. So for the 0 0 input, we can get the 1 output. For the 0 1, we can get the 0 output. For 1 0, we can get the 0 output, and for 1 1, we can get again the 0 output. If we can draw the ladder logic diagram using the NOR gate, so same logic is there. First, in the first rung, we can put here the two input in the parallel connection using the OR gate A and B, and Y dash is my output. Okay, and whatever output is in the first rung, we can put as the input in the second rung. So this is my Y dash. Whatever output is in the first rung, we can simply complement. So we can put here normally closed contact, and the Y is my actual output. So here you can see that what is the actual output? A plus B. This is my A plus B output, and whatever output is here, it's become an input in the second rung. So this is my input and Y is my actual output. So this is the ladder diagram for NOR gate. Clear? Now next, thank you everyone. If anyone have doubt, then contact me in my email ID.